Alright guys, check this out. These are very nice shoes I got from Temu from China. So, and 11 and this one, which is kind of freaky, kind of sneaker-like above the air. Okay, let me try them on. They look actually very cool. Should be very comfy as well. Okay, this is like a sock with a sole, which is pretty soft, and this one also kind of rav looking. Check it out. So having in mind my previous orders, I ordered 42 this time because my foot is 41, so in the UK size. So in fact I ordered slightly larger size for them to fit nicely. So let's try them on, guys. So first up is the red ones, also sock like. Oh, very comfy, guys. This is so light and nice. I think it's gonna be perfect for the summer. Let me just try them on. Okay. Show it to you quickly. Oh, this is nice and comfy and really soft. So I can't wait to get them out when it's warm after winter. Perfect. Okay, let's try on the second pair of my sneakers. So this is the second pair I ordered on Temu. Also sock-like sneakers. Oh, this is even more comfy and soft. Perfect. So for those of you guys who love comfort, I think you'll love them. And this also fits my shirt really nicely. Check it out. This shirt was also from Temu, the Punisher one. Very cool. And look at the sneakers. They're really cool too. So let's do a nice 360 of these shoes. Very cool, very good price, and very comfy. I love them. Let's do the same with the second pair. Very kind of futuristic, also very comfy, also sock-like. Nice.